How to draw Ikaris from Eternals, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of drawing Ikaris from Eternals, we're going to begin by drawing the jawline right in the center of the page. Nicely done! Now in the center of what we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the nose, which will look similar to an upside down question mark that will be missing the bottom point. Now right above the nose, on the left and right hand side, we're going to begin to draw the eyebrows, which will look similar to skinny rectangular shapes. Well learned how to draw Hub Crews, so far this is a great start. Next we're going to begin to draw the eyes. We'll begin on the left hand side. In order to draw the outline of the eye, we're going to make a shape that will look similar to a skinny oval that is sideways. In order to draw the inside of the eye, we're going to draw two shapes that look similar to C's, one facing the other, with a small dot in the center. Now, a little to the right, we're going to draw the second eye, which will look identical to what we just drew on the left-hand side. Moving right below the nose, we're going to draw the mouth by using a simple line. Now moving above the eyes as well as the eyebrows, we're going to make an outline which will not connect down to what we have previously drawn just yet. Connected to what we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the hair. The hair will be fairly high with a small dip on the right hand side. So now on each side of the head we have an empty space. Before we close this off, we're going to use a curved line on each side of the head to connect the hair down to the lower half of the head. Now we will use a simple line on each side of the head to close off the empty space. In order to draw the ears, we're going to use very small C-like shapes on each side of the head that will go directly below the curved lines that we previously drew together. Awesome, now we're all done drawing the head. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the lower body. For the first step, we're going to begin by drawing the neck. The neck shape will be an odd shape because it will appear as if there is a collar. Now we're going to draw three circles. The middle circle will be the largest and it will be connected to the shape that we previously drew. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now all the way on the left hand side of the page, to the left of the circle that we previously drew together, we're going to begin to make the outline of the first shoulder. Then we'll do the exact same thing but on the right hand side. On the inside of each shoulder, we'll add in a small design similar to a square. Now we will connect the shoulders to the neck. Nice! Now we're going to draw the outline of the bottom of the torso. Do you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video? If so, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. Nice! Now on the top side of the waistline, we're going to begin to draw two designs, one on the left and one on the right hand side. Each design will be mostly made of square-like shapes. A little to the right, we're going to draw the exact same design, but the top piece will be facing the opposite way. Now on the other side of the waistline, we're going to draw a design that will have three shapes overlapping. These three shapes will all look similar to V-like shapes. Let's take a quick second to recap before we move on. So far we have the head drawn, as well as the torso, as well as the first part of the bottom side of the waist. Now we're going to begin to draw the legs, starting on the right hand side. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video as you go if you have any issues at all. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well. Let's hop on over to the left hand side and draw the second leg as well as foot. Are you a big fan of the Eternals? If so, comment who else you'd like to learn how to draw from the Eternals down below in the comments. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We still have to draw the arms as well as the hands. We're going to go to the right side of the torso to draw the first arm as well as hand. We're going to go right here and build off the shoulder as well as the right side of the torso. For the first step of drawing the wrist, we're going to draw a small rectangular shape towards the bottom, which will also help separate the colors. Below and to the right of what we have just drawn, we're going to begin to draw the first hand, which will appear to be clenched. Now we'll use slightly curved lines to connect the clenched hand to the rectangular shape up above. Now we still have to draw the left arm as well as the left hand, so let's go ahead and make our way over to the left hand side right now and let's begin. Just like how we drew a rectangular shape on the right hand side, we'll do that here as well. Fantastic! Now let's connect the clenched hand to the arm. Now for the final step of drawing Ikaris from Eternals, we're going to draw a small design below each shoulder. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw Ikaris from Eternals. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so you can pause it and match your colors. Great job today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. And don't forget to give this video a big like so other Eternals fans and YouTube artists can see it as well. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.